Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade chamoy pickles. First, gather your ingredients, including a jar of dill pickles, chamoy sauce, and Tajin seasoning. Next, prepare your pickles by draining some of the brine. Then, combine all the flavorful components in the jar. Finally, allow the pickles to marinate, enhancing their unique taste. This easy method ensures a delightful snack for everyone to enjoy. To begin, select a large jar of whole dill pickles, typically around 32 ounces, as your base. Next, ensure you have about 1 cup of a good quality chamoy sauce. This provides the signature sweet, sour, and spicy flavor. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of Tajin Classico seasoning, which adds a crucial tangy and chili lime element. You might also consider adding other Mexican candies or powders for extra customization. First, carefully open your pickle jar and drain approximately 1/4 of the original pickle brine. This creates space for our new flavors. Next, pour in the entire cup of chamoy sauce, followed by the 2 tablespoons of Tajin seasoning. If you're adding other candies, now is the time. Finally, securely seal the jar and shake it vigorously for about 1 minute to ensure all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed and coating the pickles evenly. For the best flavor, refrigerate your chamoy pickles for a minimum of 24 hours, allowing the flavors to fully meld. You can enjoy them straight from the jar or slice them for a unique snack. These delicious pickles will stay fresh in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers, as well as other great deals. We hope you enjoy this easy and flavorful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.